Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this Deity D4 Duo mic. The reason we've picked this up is because it has a frontwards facing shotgun mic and a backwards facing one. So when I'm talking to Sean, please talk Sean.
Hello everybody, you probably can't hear me that well.
He said, hello everybody, you probably can't hear me that well. Liam's really handsome. It's kind of muffled, so it'll be quite nice to see what this is like. So, where is the middle? I've lost it already.
Yeah.
But, so, and then this is a £50 microphone. I could only get it from America, weirdly, even though it's from Amazon. It came from America, so it might be trouble to get in Britain. It took like a week to come, which is it's usually next day, but it's not that much of an issue. So yeah, this is £50. The mic we are using is a £200 microphone. So subscribe to the channel, and we're going to do a comparison between the £50 one, the £200 one, and just the basic camera one. Maybe a headphone one as well.
Yeah,
see if that's.
Or so, sort of like prefer the Yeti mic in there as well.
We'll do a mic comparison video. So it's a shame this isn't set up because you're talking. So what's in the box, and we'll set it up. We'll see what it's like to listen to Sean. So you get a little paper thing. It's got instructions and stuff on there. I'll look at that properly later. Just see what's on the box first. Another thing I was really interested in with this mic is it doesn't need batteries. The one we're using doesn't need batteries.
But it's rechargeable.
It's rechargeable, so I imagine this would be the same. It has the similar mount, like the shock mount, and it's got a dead cat wind fluff thing. So, oh, there's your dead cat.
Yeah, it's a dead cat.
Let's pull it out.
Seriously, one of my cats has just died.
Sean does have a balding cat. Balding gamers! I didn't even think of that. Warranty card.
It's bigger than I thought. Oh.
I think that's a dead cat, making it big. So it's not actually that much in the box. Oh, there is a little cable.
Oh, snacks! Snacks! Tasty.
Not bald head. So it's got a nice little yellow cable. That's nice. Stretches a bit.
Different.
Sean doesn't like Yale. Yale?
Yale.
Sean didn't go to Yale, he went to Harvard. Deity. American.
This part of the video's gone wrong.
That's so wrong. I'm sorry, everyone. So these are the... Fuck. So, these are the dead cats. Oh, no. Oh, I felt that before. Oh my days, this back one is on. Okay. Oh, it's got a bent thing. It's really annoying. Can you see that? Focus. So, I mean, apart from this bent stand, initial impressions. I'll leave it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't want to be twisting it. So the metal work, I'm not overly keen on it. It's like, it feels high quality. It's quite light. This mount feels awful. But the actual metal, it's got like the weird pattern on. It looks dirty to me. It looks greasy, but I think it's just a metal pattern. Yeah, it doesn't. So, okay. So the mount has got a little like quarter mount, which is handy. I've got my camera, so we'll be testing that in a minute. Input, output. And what's really interesting is, like I said before, it's got two actual microphones on it. So it's got one directed to the person and one where it splits over two ways. So that is what we'll be testing out today, because it'll be pretty interesting.
Does it have gain controls for both sides of the mic?
No. It's literally, it's got the front and it's got the back. So there's no gain controls or anything on here. It's just...
Does it record audio on 2 tracks?
Yes, it does.
Oh.
So well done, Sean. Beating me to the chase. So it records, I think it records the front to the left and the back to the right. There is a way on Final Cut Pro where you literally just copy the vocals and you put it in both and that fills it out. So I was concerned about that, but I watched a few videos. It doesn't seem that concerning now. So let's give it a go. I suppose these would be really good wind filters.
Mm-hmm.
We can...
I guess it's because you could do things like interviews and stuff like that when you're out.
Yeah.
And so you're more likely to be using something like this.
Yeah, so if Sean and I ever leave Sean's bedroom, we will probably use both actually. We've got 2 cameras, but like the little ZVED E10 might be easier to use for filming than the a 6400. So let's put it on the mic and try it out. Let's put it on the camera and try it out. I said mic.
It's really annoying that it's angled.
Yeah, it's not meant to be angled. So, do you want to film, Sean? And then, do you have on both of them on?
Yeah, I did.
Oops, I'm filming.
You're filming already. So this one
What's
is.
going on with the quality?
Oh, that's sharpness. It'll take a bit. It makes film a bit easier when you film things which are too sharp. So does it have weird lines on it?
Yeah.
So it's saying that we're basically too sharp right now.
Oh, look at that.
So we now have it on the 2 setting.
Okay. Right. So.
Zooming in. So you'll be able to hear me.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to hear Sean quite
Okay,
well.
yeah.
If you talk
So
down.
I'm talking at the moment on this 2 settings, that way it's firing at Liam and also at me, so I guess we'll try it. Shall I switch to forward facing only and see what it
Maybe stop recording, then turn it forward facing, start again. Just so it's
we're
easier.
going to be cautious. And now we're going with forward facing, so you speak, Liam?
Okay, so did you see it picking you up there?
Yeah.
Can you see it picking me up?
Yeah.
Is it picking me up louder?
Not really.
Oh.
A little bit, but I guess we'll see.
We'll see in the settings. I don't think there's that much more to add about it. Like, we have to do a proper in-depth review. We will probably go outside, test both the dead cats.
Both dead cats.
Both dead cats, because obviously it'll be windy.
2 lots of audio as well, by the way, because I'm just mixing things up over here.
So you're giving yourself a challenge.
Yeah. I'm editing this. What?
Sean's editing this, he's just agreed to it. And we'll see how it goes. So basically, it doesn't look very, very promising right now, but it could all be an editing thing. Like I said,
that focus on this camera is
really good.
It's not this way. You're gonna bleep yourself now. Stop it, turn it off.
Sorry.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will do the comparison video between like £50 mic, £200 mic, built-in mic, Blue Yeti, headphone mic,
all the mics.
all the mics, Mike Burnley. He's a friend from back home.
Okay.
And we will see you next time. So goodbye from here.
And goodbye from here. Ah, my neck.